The another session on the target series of Indian economy and Indian financial system, in which we are discussing the MCQs with a detailed explanation. Okay, so let's start the session. Before starting the session, if you have not downloaded the 24/7 application yet, then do download the application. And also, if you have not subscribed the channel Officers at 24/7, then do subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that all the upcoming sessions notification will be given to you. Okay, now before we are coming towards the questions, first of all, a very happy Republic Day to all of you. And on the occasion of this Republic Day, we are here with a mega sale of 80% discount on all the Maha packs, 81% discount on all the Maha packs, and double validity is available. So you can see, for 1% additional discount, you have to use the coins on the application. The code you have to use is Y496. You will get the double validity with the 81% off on all the products of the 24/7 JAIIB and CAIIB. Apart from that, on the bank promotion exams batches is also 81% off is going on. So this is the offer which is ending soon. It means this is for today only. After that, this will not be available. Okay. So let's start today's session. In today's session, we will be discussing about the priority sector lending. In this particular session, we will be discussing the questions on the priority sectors. Okay. So let's start. Before starting the topic with the MCQ, let's understand what is priority sector. First of all, we are going to understand what is priority sector. So the priority sector is simply, according to RBI and Government of India. According to RBI and Government of India, if we talk about, there is certain sectors. According to RBI and Government of India, there are certain sectors which need improvement and development, Okay, so according to RBI and Government of India, there are certain sectors which need improvement and development, because without the improvement or development of these sectors, the economy will not be developed. That's why we have to develop these sectors. And these sectors has been defined as the priority sector. To develop them, RBI has said to the banks that whatever lending you are doing, whatever loan you are providing to the customers, the first priority in case of loan should be given to these sectors, and that's why these sectors are known as priority sector. Okay. Apart from that, there are total 8 sectors under the PSL. So we have agriculture under it, we have export credit, we have housing, Apart from that, we have education sector. We have education. Okay. Apart from education, we also have micro, small, medium enterprises, MSME. Then we have social infrastructure. Then we have renewable energy. And the last one is others. So these are the 8 sectors of PSL according to RBI and Government of India, which needs improvement, which needs development. And for their development, we have introduced the priority sectors. Okay. For their development, we have introduced what? We have introduced the priority sector in our country. Clear? Okay. So let's continue the session, and we are going to discuss about what are the targets RBI has given under the priority sector lending to the different sectors. Okay. So let's start the session. Acha, before starting the question, one important thing. RBI has divided the banks on the basis of the target. Like there will be a domestic bank. The domestic bank will have different target, and the foreign bank will have different target. Okay, domestic banks are there and foreign banks are there. Both will be having a different targets here. In the domestic bank, there will be a category of commercial banks, different target. The commercial bank under the domestic will have a different target. Okay, the RRBs will have a different targets. And the small finance banks will have a different target. So these 3 categories are there in the domestic bank. In the foreign bank, there are 2 categories. First, foreign bank with more than 20 branches. more than 20 branches, and foreign bank with up to 20 branches. With up to 20 branches. That will be a foreign bank. So these are the categories which RBI has divided into banks that these will be working there. Okay. On the basis of these target, RBI will be providing them the targets and the PSL. So the first question is asking about, as per RBI guidelines, what is the priority sector lending target for a small finance bank? So for a small finance bank, how much target has been given by Reserve Bank of India? What target has been given by RBI for the small finance bank? So what is the priority sector lending target is there for a small finance bank? So a small finance bank have to provide 75% of their ANBC to the to the priority sector. Okay, small finance bank have a target of 75% of ANBC or the CEOBE whichever is higher out of these two. The 75% amount of that will be given under the priority sector by the small finance bank. This is the total target of PSL for the small finance bank. Okay. Now, second question is talking about, what does CEOBE stand for? What does CEOBE stand for? First of all, if I talk about the ANBC stands for Adjusted Net Bank Credit. This is the amount which bank is able to give loan and bank is able to invest. So loan plus investment amount of a bank will be known as ANBC. Okay, and this investment should be non-SLR investment. If you are doing investment in SLR, that will not be counted under the ANBC. Non-SLR investment will be counted. Now, if I talk about the CEOBE, this is the type of money which bank is earning by fee. So the fee bank is charging to the different customers, that will be counted here under the CEOBE. Okay, like for example, the bank guarantee fee, the letter of credit fee will be a type of income which bank is generating in form of activity or services bank is providing to the customer. So CEOBE do not cover the assets and liability of a bank until it only covers the ways of earning of a bank by generating the fee income. That is only covered under the CEOBE. Okay. So which of the following is correct? The full form of CEOBE. So right answer will be credit equivalent of off balance sheet exposure. So right answer will be your A option. Credit equivalent of off balance sheet exposure is the full form of CEOBE. Now, what is the target for weaker section of society to be achieved by the scheduled commercial bank? So you have to answer what is the target for weaker section of society to be achieved by the scheduled commercial bank. So the scheduled commercial bank's target for the weaker section is first 18% of ANBC, 12% of ANBC, 40% of ANBC, 7.5% of ANBC. Which of the following is correct? For weaker section, how much fund will be provided by commercial bank to the weaker sections? So weaker sections will be covering here. For the commercial banks, the 18% will be given to the agriculture. The 7.5 will be given to the micro enterprises. The 40% will be a total loan, total PSL. This is micro enterprises. And the right answer for this particular question will be 12%. So 12% of ANBC or CEOB, whichever is higher, will be given by the commercial bank to the weaker section under the PSL. Okay, and all these are targets of the commercial bank that is written here. Next, under the commercial bank, only the public sector bank and private sector bank will be covered. Public sector and private sector bank will be covered here. Not all the banks will be covered. Okay, correct. Next. So what is the target for weaker section of society to be achieved by RRBs? What target should be achieved by the weaker section? What target should be given to the have been given to the RRBs for the weaker section? So every bank have a different target which has been given by RBI. So what target has been given to the RRBs here? Is it 18%, 12%, 15% or 7.5%? So the right answer is 17%. Right answer is, sorry, 15% of ANBC or COBE. So the commercial banks have to give 12% to the weaker section, but the small finance bank will give 15% to the weaker section. Sorry, RRBs will give 15% to the weaker section. Okay, do remember there is a difference in the weaker section target. RRBs and small RRBs will provide 15%. Your commercial bank and apart from that, your small finance bank have to provide 12%. Okay. Now next. What is the loan amount under the renewable energy will be given under PSL? So what loan will be given to the renewable energy under the PSL? Is it a 10 lakh, 20 crore, 30 crores, 15 lakh? The loan amount for renewable energy is so the right answer for this will be 30 crores. It used to be 15. Now it has double. Now that amount will be 30 crores. So 30 crores loan will be given under the renewable energy. Okay. Now the next question is talking about what is the loan amount under the renewable energy for individual households. So to the individual household, they can also have a like rooftop solar system. They can install the rooftop solar system. For that purpose, how much loan will be given? Which of the following is correct? 10 crore, 20 lakh, 30 crore, 15 lakh. Okay. So the right answer will be for your individual category. The individual category will have to get the loan under the renewable energy. That will be a 10 lakh. Okay. That will be 10 lakh is required, but the amount unit I have written wrong here. So I will be making this 10 lakh. Okay. The total will be your 30 crores under the renewable energy. But for individual household, it will be your 10 lakh amount. Okay. So the right answer will be your 10 lakh for the individual households. Clear now? What is the land holding for farmers to be considered as a small farmer? So what is the land holding of the small farmer? Is it up to 1 hectare? Is it up to 2.5 hectare? Is it more than 1 hectare and up to 2 hectare? Or is it your up to 2 hectare? So right answer for this question will be more than 1 hectare and up to 2 hectare. And up to 1 hectare will be marginal farmers. So marginal farmer will have a land holding of how much land? That is up to 1 hectare, and 1 hectare and up to 2 hectare will be with the small farmers. Okay. Next. So these are the details which we have discussed today in the PSL. So PSL is a very important chapter for your principles and practices of banking. Definitely 2 or 3 questions can be asked from this particular section. Okay. Chaliye. So this is the information for all of you that the new target batch, the second target batch has been started from 13th of January, both bilingual and English medium. Indian economy and Indian financial system plus the principles and practices of banking we have already started in this particular batch. And on this particular batch right now, the Republic Day offer 81% off is going on. By enrolling using the code Y496, you can get this offer. Here in the Mahapacks, you will get double validity plus the 81% discount available for the JAIIB and CAIIB Mahapack. So how to enroll? To enroll, you have to go to the Adda 24/7 application. Click on the application. If you have not downloaded the application, do download the application. 1% additional discount will be available. Click on the JAIIB CAIIB section. If you want to go with the target batch, just click on the JAIIB 23. And if you want to go with the Mahapack, just click on the Mahapack. So click on view all. You will find all the batches, target batches which are going on the application. Individual subject batch is available. Apart from that, combination subject batches is available, and your target batches is available of all the 4 subjects. Okay. How to enroll? Whatever batch you want to enroll, click on the particular batch, do read all the details, and click on the buy now option. When you click on the buy now, you will find this window and you have to enter a code Y496. You will find 80% discount here. For 1% discount, you have to go to the Adda 24/7 application and you have to use the coins there. So you will get 1% additional discount. So 37 or 3800 will be there. 6 months validity will be there. Okay. The best option apart from this will be JAIIB CAIIB Mahapack because it will be covering double validity with the 81% off. So it will be covering your live classes, conceptual classes, upcoming revision batches, upcoming MCQ batches, numerical batches, case study batches. Whatever batches has been introduced in the next 2 years or 1 year as per the validity will be added in your account. Okay. So if you want, you can go with the JAIIB ka Mahapack only or you can go with the JAIIB and CAIIB ka Mahapack. So click on the particular product only. Do read all the details and after reading all the details, what you have to do? You have to just click on the buy now option. What you have to do? You have to click on the buy now option. When you click on buy now option, you will find this page. And here you have to enter a code Y496. In the Mahapack, you will be getting JAIIB all the subject, CAIIB all your CAIIB compulsory and elective paper will be covered here. To enroll, this code have to be used and 1% additional discount will be available by using the coins. 12 plus 12 month validity is there. JAIIB, CAIIB both will be covered. The price you have to pay is around 10,500 something. Okay. So 81% discount plus the double validity is available for today only. And to enroll, the code you have to use is Y496. Okay. So this is the offer for all of you on the Republic Day. Last but not the least, if you have any doubt in the questions and the sessions I have discussed today, you can ask in the comment section if you are watching a recorded video, okay? And also, if you have any query, you can ask about any query in the comment section. I will be checking your comment and answering there. So last but not the least, let's end the session here. If you are new to the channel of Offices Adda 24/7, then do subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that all the upcoming sessions notification be given to you, okay?